how to add transitions and animations to Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to make your Google Slides more attractive by using transitions? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up a Google Chrome and then go to the slides where you want to add transitions. And then on the top, you'll need to go to the slide option, tap on it, and here you'll find the transition. So tap on transition and a pop-up will open up on the right side and you can tap on the uh, drop down right here, and then you can see a lot of transitions. So you can tap on the transition and then you can set it to slow, medium, or fast by dragging the slider. And you can even tap to add object animations. And then to preview it, you'll need to hit play. Now you can see how the transition works. And if you don't want it, you can just tap on stop and then take a preview of another transition. Do the same, hit play, and then uh, hit stop again. Now, if you find a transition that you like, you can just tap on apply to all slides, or you can go to the each slide and apply different transition to every slide like this. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.